Here's the latest convertible in a unique, especially in classics. It's a 1973 Ford Mustang convertible. 351 Cleveland underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Now, a little history behind this car. Was in a long-term collection. It was sold and came out of that collection in 2018. At that time, it hadn't been titled since 1979. Odometer shows a little over 13,000 on it. That is believed to be original miles in this car. When you take a look at the engine bay, the undersides, we'll check out the interior here in just a bit. Boy, I don't see any reason not to believe that is not the original miles in this car with the history of it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see all the still pictures at. This car is going to come with a 500-mile, 3-month warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase. So 3 months, 500 miles. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can call in at 507-386-1726. These are the original wheel covers. "3D" is the paint code on this car. Medium blue metallic. "CB" is the trim code. So it has the medium blue knitted vinyl. So basically you have this combination, kind of cloth and vinyl. Also known as comfort weave seats, according to the previous owner of this car. All original interior. Has had the top replaced just due to age. We're going to put that up at the end of the video. Check out the condition of that. White vinyl, remember, right? Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate about that 10-year extension. And it is going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Take a look at the chrome in the rear of this car. Chrome shows very well. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Should be over 100 pictures of this car online there. Take a look down the driver's side from the rear to front. See how nice and straight those panels are. This interior is just unbelievable. Pull that key a second so we don't have that door chime. Take a look at the door panels. You'll be able to see the carpeting underneath the floor mats and the still pictures. And then just look at this lack of wear, and again, original interior. Horn works, blower fan works, radio works, wipers work. Everything's working on this car that I have come across. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Fuel gauge appears to also be working. And there it is, 13,274. And again, believed to be original miles, judging by this interior. Being original, everything else, don't see why not. Radio working. Again, wipers work, as well as horn and blower fan. Top of the dash, also like new. And remember, it's a long-term collection until 2018. Last time prior to that, it was titled 1979. Sounds as it should. Again, 351 Cleveland. Paired up with that automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. All right, I'm going to get this hood open and take a peek at this engine bay. Definitely want to show you that. All right, here it is. Take a look at this engine bay. How clean and tidy this is. Still see the stickers and the valve covers. Smooth runner, no doubt about that. Many times you see this intact and not rotted out, aged. Listen how smooth that runs. There'll be plenty of pictures of the engine bay and the still pictures also. Don't forget to take your time looking through those. Another thing I always want to mention, we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You can't make it to see this car for yourself. You want somebody to come check it out, feel free to. See if they think it looks as good as the still pictures and the videos do. This one, definitely have them check it out if you can't make it yourself. I'm going to pause it one last time. We put up this top. Check out the convertible top and we'll wrap this video up. And the convertible top up. Power top functions as it should. Like I said, top has been replaced due to age, and you can see nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled up the side glass, you can see that fits in there nice. The top looks like new. Definitely no rips, tears, or holes. Hardly even, I guess, really discolored or anything. This is a glass rear window. And passenger side looks like the driver's side. Good fit with the side glass. Nice and tight above the windshield. Good shape. What you'd expect in this car. 1973 Ford Mustang convertible. 351 Cleveland underneath the hood. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. You can do that at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1973 Ford Mustang in a very nice shade of blue. This is a convertible. We have an automatic shift on the center console. This car handles and feels really nice, really new. It says 13,272 miles on the odometer. I don't know whether that's correct, but it feels very low mile.
Who could pass? That's better.
AM radio working good. Our blower motor also functioning, and the wipers function. Both our blinker indicators are working. This has warning lights for most of the dash set of gauges. The fuel gauge, however, is reading a little over half, and the speedometer reading 55. Letting go of the wheel, she stays perfectly straight in the lane. This is a very smooth ride. Not getting any kind of shakes or bumps. Brakes are working well. Corners really well. And power is about what you would expect. It's really comfortable, nice looking, blue on blue, 1973 Ford Mustang convertible. Check it out.